is one of 7.9 million South Africans that are HIV positive. He has been living with HIV for the last 10 years and has been meticulous in taking his medication.
Times were difficult then, but I think as someone then who started being part of the sector when all these things happened with me then in 2009, knowing my status, it became easier to accept because I was part of someone who's actually propagating. With this new antiretroviral, it's said to be much better in that the side effects are virtually non-existent. And it's also, the new drug takes a short span of time for people to suppress on viral loads, meaning that actually they become undetectable quite quicker, which also assists in that a person who's undetectable or suppressed their viral load is unable to transmit HIV to another person.
Government has also urged communities to help reduce the prevalence of HIV and AIDS in poverty-stricken communities.
We, however, do still have challenges, like in areas like this one that we are in Ado, where we are actually noticing that there's spiking of new infections, and that for us is not a good thing. However, we are also mindful of the fact that socio-economic conditions do have a contribution. Equally, lifestyle itself, as to how our people carry themselves, at the same time, the impact of unemployment and them being poor, that even when they get that treatment, they move. The other thing that we are facing as the Eastern Cape, which is very prevalent, is the whole issue of defaulting, which to a certain extent is contributed by a factor that people will move from one area to another area, and maybe it is associated with stigmatization.
The health department also aims to test and identify 90% of the population living with HIV by December next year. Luando Nomoi, SABC News, Ado in the Eastern Cape.